Hello, my name is Xiang Zhou, and my group member is Xie Jiatong. Before we dive in, let me throw a number at you. 5,086 Chinese listed companies over 18 years. The question hidden behind this is simple. If we give ordinary workers an industry-level paycheck, do patents start popping? Let's find out. Our research on the impact of external salary gap on enterprise innovation. Globalization is treadmill. Everyone must run faster just to stay. Enterprise innovation is the only motto, and the compensation is the fuel. But here is the twist. All the literature zooms is on executives, while the people who actually pipette, code, and solder are left in the dark. The blank space is where my study lives. So we set 3 quick goals. First, test whether external pay gap drives innovation. Second, quantify how big the effect is. And third, hand managers and regulators a new playbook. Simple. 42,935 firm-year OBs. Long financial issues, ST or PT companies, and outliers tossed it out. Basically, the cleanest sandbox we could build. Tournament-style ratios widen the gap, spark competition. Social comparison whispers too wide killed teamwork. Boss talk CEOs. I moved the spotlight to ordinary employees and propose H1. The external pay gap of ordinary employees has a significant positive impact on enterprise innovation. Here you go. ELO equal beta 0 plus beta 1 gap plus beta 2 controls plus year plus error terms. ELO is log total patents plus 1. Gap is firm average wage divide industry average wage. Controls, size, age, ROA, leverage, ownership, micro GDP. The usual suspects. Data courtesy of CSMAR and Wind. Low homemade Excel video. Quick reality check. Mean gap equal minus 0.65. On average, workers earn 35% below industry median. ELO mean equal 2.9 with a max of 9.7. So, innovation skyscrapers and cottages coexist. Or rather, controls sit nicely in line with payroll studies, low red flags. We can see at these tables is our correlation analysis. The correlation of gap versus ELO equal 0.393 stars at the 1% level. That's moderate but mighty. Mean VIF 1.43. Multi-collinearity is asleep. Size and cash flow also wave the positive flag. So we are not hunting ghosts. Now we can see at this table. We can say that gap coefficient equal 0.4203 stars. T-value equal 52.66, which means that one standard deviation bump in relative pay gets 42% more patents. Economically, shifting from 10% below to 10% above, market is roughly half a patent per firm per year. At the aggregate, that's thousands of extra inventions annually. So, from this research, we get some conclusions. 3 quick takeaways. First, external pay gap significantly lifts innovation, which H1 stands for. Second, ordinary employees are lost cogs. Fair pay turns them into ideal engines. Third, from size, profitability, leverage, or moderate the effect, so tailor your playbook. Inside the form, benchmark wages yearly, communicate the why, link rates to patent KPIs. Outside, regulators force wage percentile disclosure. Industry associations publish benchmark reports. Governments give salary subsidies to teach SMEs. Bottom line, fair pay is innovation policy in disguise. Curveys first. Pay data scribed from financials, noisy and rounding. Sample stops at listed firms. Garage fees innovators missing. Next steps. Survey long-listed companies. Split gap tabs with the top 10% rivals. Micro mechanisms, skills, mood, retention, science is never finished. So, close the external pay gap. Open the innovation tab. 42,000 observations, one clear voice, competitive wages for auxiliary workers are already on the chip. Thank you for your time. That's all.